What's going on, everyone? Aaron here, Clean Cuts Lawn Care. Tuesday morning, Maine. It rained all night last night. We had a big storm come in. A lot of places lost power. Some places still aren't restored. And it's soaked. It's still drizzling now. It was still raining this morning. It's too wet to mow. And man, I was on track to getting all 51 properties done. Possibly by Thursday at the end of the day, maybe a lawn or two to do Friday morning, but it's not going to happen now. I mean, there's no mowing today. It's just not going to happen. I went to a few parts stores looking for the brake ring for the 36 to replace the brakes. Because the right side, if you're operating the machine, the right side, that brake is bad, and I had to loosen the tension on it to move it, just to get it loaded on the trailer. So I couldn't find it anywhere. There's one place I think has it. They're not open. I'll probably just order them. I found them online. So, but the good thing about lawn care, owning the business, is days like today, maybe you can't go out and make money today, but there's always something to do, always. And yeah, okay, you're not bringing income into the business, but there's always things to do to keep your business operational, and keep your equipment good, keep your equipment strong. So, like right now, the 36 and the 52 both need fuel lines. When I was doing the fuel filters, I seen the 36 had a good crack in it. And right at one of the connectors, it was like ripped. So I fixed it because I was ordering the fuel lines. So they came in. They're actually already in the shop. The fuel line did. New clips, new fuel lines. So I'm going to go ahead and replace those. I wanted to replace the brakes for the 36, but so I can't find them right now, so I'm just going to order them. So that's what we're going to do today. Just a little bit of maintenance on the mowers, and have everything ready to go for tomorrow. I mean, it's about all. I don't like running my mowers out of gas, but to mess with the fuel line, obviously, I shut off the shutoff valve under here and start it up, let it run out of gas. That way it clears the line for the most part. There might be a little bit in the filter, but you know, that way I'm not getting gas all over the place. All right, got a new fuel line cut for the 36. Got to add the filter. This is a brand new filter. I just put it on the other day when I realized that the line was bad, needed work. Okay. That'll be going into the carburetor. Where'd I put the other part? Right here. And this part will be coming off of the fuel tank. And after I install this, we'll be doing the same thing on this mower. All right, let's put it on. Okay. If you're using this kind of fuel filter, you'll see the arrow, and that arrow goes towards the carburetor. The smaller filters, they look like a disc, you know, with just two prongs. I don't think those matter, but these do. So, arrow to the carburetor. Not that I'm teaching anyone how to do this, because I don't know jack shit about it, but I do know that. Come on. There we go. Pull that back just a little bit. There we go. Okay. Other line right here. This goes on to the gas tank. Alright, it's attached to the fuel tank. It was kind of not a lot of room up there, so get it all the way in there. Okay, there we go. Turn it on, turn the fuel on, check for leaks everywhere. You can see there's fuel in there now. I don't like that that's not very tight. And it was the same way, move it back a little and it tightens up. Okay, no leaks. So let's zip tie it. We're gonna zip tie it to the blade engagement cable. That's where it was zip tied before. Probably a little extra line, but that's alright. I just made it the same length that was on here. It's one thing I don't like about this shop, man. I do not have room in here to be, you know, doing stuff. I don't like that. Put it there. Make sure it's not touching nothing. Okay, still no leaks, so this one's good to go. Alright, still no leaks. That fuel line's good to go, brand new. Let's get it started, because I check for leaks that way too. You know, because it, even though it's on, you know, I want to check it while it's vibrating and, you know, kind of getting roughed up a little bit. got the fuel line off for the 52. This one was a little bit more complicated. You just don't have very good room. Plus, you know, I'm in this shop and it's small. It's still drizzling outside, so I didn't want to take everything out, and in case it starts raining, you know, I didn't want to take everything out, so like I said, this is a brand new filter, so it's going right back on. There we go. Okay, let's get our fuel line, get it cut. I'm gonna make it the same length that this one was. Right around there. Carburetor there. Yeah, that'll be good. Shorten it a little bit. All right. That'll be the new fuel line. Seems to be on nice and tight. Alright, the 52 is done. I've already checked it for leaks. I've already ran it. No leaks. It's secure. Like I said, brand new filters on both. Good deal. Even though this is a brand new filter, I went ahead and cleaned it anyway. Same thing for the 30-inch back there. And we tried ordering, I forgot, we tried ordering one for the 36 new air filter, and we could not find the right air filter for it online. I'm sure it's there. I just gotta look harder. Maybe I'll stop at the auto parts store on my way home, you know, and see if they have one, but we couldn't find it online. I'm gonna check Amazon and again, and you know, where I like to order parts from is Chicago Lawnmower, I think it's called. Man, they're quick. We ordered that rear deflector for that 30-inch right there. I have to keep it up. Let me get over there. Because of where it goes on the trailer with the 36 or the 52, it has to go right here. It has the board securing it in, but this is how I broke it. I was just putting the rear deflector right against here, and you know, just hitting a bump or you know, whatever it was is how it broke. So every time I put it away here, we have to lift it up and let it rest on here. So, but yeah, we ordered that from Chicago Lawnmower. A few other things from them, and I mean, it was just like Ballard's when we ordered their blades. Fast. I mean, they were here. So, but I have to find that air filter for the 36. I don't know why, but I thought that we ordered one and I thought it was installed, but it wasn't. It was for the 52. Here's the filter right here, and clearly I need a new one, but I can't find it online. I don't know. I've looked and looked. If anyone sees this and I haven't found one yet, if you know where I can get it from, or if you know the exact part number, because there's no part number on it, there's no part number inside of the filter area. You know, like all the other filters have parts numbers, right? Like for the 30-inch, that don't have one, and there's not one like on the cap or anything. So I am going to stop at the auto parts store on my way home. I'm going to take it with me. I'm not using the 36 right now anyway, because I want to put the brakes on it, the new brake rings. There we go. So, like I said, the only good part about rain days to me, because it's too wet out there, the only good part about rain days is utilizing that time to you know, to get your equipment up to speed. You know, just make sure everything's ready to go. You know, 'cause sometimes you run into a stretch where you're mowing for 10, 12, 14 days in a row, and you know, you're working early morning to late night, and just changing the blades on your mower can be a task. You know, you're like, oh, I don't have time, but you have to have time for this stuff. To me the truck is the most important part of your setup, then your trailer, then your mowers and your equipment. Maybe everyone else has a different importance to me, but I look at it like, I don't know about the trailer, but to me, without the truck, you got nothing. Without the trailer, you're not really hauling anything unless you can put it in the back of your truck, which I for sure fit my 30-inch, which we know right, and the 36, 100% I can fit back here. I don't know about the 52. I've never tried it, but you know, you don't want to have to do that, you know. So yeah, I'm just constantly doing this stuff all the time. Sometimes it feels like no matter how much maintenance you do, it's like it's never enough, you know. So all right, everyone, if you liked the video, hit like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, let me know everything I'm doing wrong. I'm sure there's a whole list of it. And keep the edges clean, boys. I'm out.